For all you Monster Truck fans out there, Kody has new additions. This is Max D Monster Truck. And then we have Superman's faster than a speeding bullet. Can't go wrong with Superman. Next up, we have the Toxic Crusader. He'll put a glow on you every day of the week.
This, Kody, what have you got? Max D. Can you open it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you so excited? Who's Max D?
Max D.
Is he the best one?
Yeah, this Max D.
Wow.
People. Yeah, this people.
Look.
This is a two of them, Mom.
You got two of them?
It's two of them. It's Max D.
It's Max D.
This,
Look at the pictures.
it's this one up. It's this one up.
Oh wow, they're so cool. Oh look, it came with this pamphlet. Can we find Max D on it?
He's cool down.
There he is there. Whoa, how far is the other one? Who's going to win? Can you do the other one? Yellow? Whoa. Green one? Oh, you didn't go very far. And what about Max D? Oh, Superman. Max D was the first one. Look at this. Max D's the winner. Woo. There he is. He's sliding down too. You're going to get a dirty bum. Where are they going? Oh my goodness, they are all ending up in the pool. Got another one. Wow, that's a big jump. Oh my goodness, they're all down in the water. They crashed. What are we going to do? Can you get them? You're down the hill, you're sliding. Oh my goodness. You didn't end up in the water. They all crashed into the water, Kody. They're all upside down too.
I got this.
You've got them? You can save them? Oh, back up on the top. Oh my goodness, you threw it over the other side. You rescued again. A hole?
Who made it?
I don't bang it because I might break it. But there's a hole. Can it hide in the hole? Can we dig in there? He says they're going to hide in there.
Finding it.
Can he sit in there?
It.
Can you see this? Is he hiding inside the wall? They're so funny. Is he driving along? He's banging it. It's a busy monster truck. And then he's hiding in the hole too. He's got the hole in the wall. Whoa! Is that Max D?
Yeah.
So you, Max D? We were going to go to the park today, weren't we, Kody? But it's been raining and stormy. So we're stuck at home. So we thought we'll make an obstacle course for our new trucks. Yeah! Woo. We've got our new Max D and our Spider-Man, and they're all waiting for the obstacle course. So should we see what they have to do? They're going to start over at the starting line. And then they're going to come up over the ramp. We do. Cody's very busy putting stones into the water. We've got all the excavator trucks still making the tracks work. Doing a good job there, Kody. Then they've got to come over the river of fire. The lava pits. And then around our boulders to the finish line.
Max D.
So they're going to be racing Max D in a minute. Who do you think's going to win the race?
Max D.
Max D's gonna win. Is he the best?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, we'll have to see. Here we go. Oh, Max D took off fast. Here comes the other one. Catching Max D. Here we go. Oh, look, he drove over Max D. Max D's stuck in the water. And here's Superman coming up in the behind. Oh, they both flipped over in the water. You got to climb up and help them, Kody.
No.
This one's coming around. And he says, ah, it's hot, it's hot. He's on fire. Over the lake. Over the wobbly lake. Oh no, there's flying rocks coming. Where's Max D? Go on, Max D. Out of the water. Over the boulders. Oh no, he had a detour. He ended up back at the river. Oh, and he's upside down. Now he's behind. Now he's going to catch Max D. Oh, he's going, nearly went off the side. Here we go. He's coming back in the lead. Is Max D going to take in front? Here we go. Go Max D. Oh, it's a big race to the finish. Here you go. Can you take Max D, Kody?
Yeah. Two down.
Yeah, you're taking two of them over the lava and then through the boulders. Look, here comes Superman over to the river of lava, and he's so big he can fly. Lucky. Doesn't have to go over the river of lava. Superhero powers are helping around the boulders. The finish line, it's coming up. Here we go. Oh, Max D won! Oh, he beat him just to the finish line. Max D's the champion. Woo! Go Max D! He won! He won! Oh no! Show me your hands, Kody. They're all muddy. Are we getting the? I'm gonna put some mud in here and make it all dirty. Is it yucky?
Yeah.
Show me your hands. Ew. It's all gooey and muddy, Kody.
You can see this.
Is there rocks in there? Oh, you found them? Is that good for our obstacle course?